In this video, we're going to show you how to measure the width and drop of your curtains. We will go through the different measurements for each heading type and show you how to measure for a pole or a track. Firstly, you will need a pencil, a notepad, a measuring tape and a stepladder. Next, you will need to choose whether you want a pole or a track. A pole can hang a pinch pleat, pencil pleat or an eyelet heading, whereas a track can only accommodate pinch pleat and pencil pleat curtains. A wave curtain heading has to have a specific type of track. Ideally, you should have your pole or track already fitted. We recommend that you have this done before starting to measure. To measure the curtain width on a pole, simply measure between the finials of the pole. These are the decorative end pieces. If you have a track, measure the full width of the track. If it has a centre overlap, measure the centre overlap and add it to the width measurement. Take a note of these measurements. The curtain drop measurement varies depending on the heading type you choose. Make sure you know what heading type your curtain will be before measuring the drop. With a pole for pinch or pencil pleat curtain, measure from the bottom of the pole rings. If you want to hide the pole behind the curtain, measure from the top of the pole. For an eyelet heading, you must always measure from the top of the pole. For a track, you need to take the measurement from the top of the track. If you take the measurement from the bottom ring, you will see the track above the curtain. Remember, an eyelet curtain can't be fitted to a track. For a wave heading, measure from the track rings to your desired drop. Now you need to decide what the curtain's final drop will be. The recommended drop lengths are window sill length, below sill length and floor length. Measure from the starting point of your pole or track down to the chosen drop. Measure the drop in 3 places, left, middle and right, as not all windows and floors will be perfectly straight, and note down the smallest measurement. For sill length and floor length, it is best to leave a clearance of 10 to 15 millimeters, as curtain fabric will drop slightly over time. Once done, head over to our website and browse our full range of curtains.